Hannah 12394 on Animal Jam right now. And guess what? I did a glitch. It's called the Nayan Cat Glitch. If you guys love Nayan Cat, this is for you, Nayan Cat fan lovers. I'm going to show you how you do this glitch today, okay guys? Okay, first off, you should go on Google, okay? Go on Google. Type in non-stop nanny cat website. There. See, I did that. You're gonna click this one, the one. I'm gonna click it, and here you type in Animal Jam. See where this word is? That's where you type it. You guys probably know that. It can be any site you want. It can be Webkinz World. It could be Minecraft. It could be any website you want. Animaljam. You don't put the W's at all. Animaljam.com. Then you click the. Let me find it. Hold on. You click the nanny button, click it, and click Nanny Me. You see this, nannyit.com/animaljam.com. Click Nanny Me. It'll have your username, play, and every time you see the nanny cats, it'll get bigger and bigger. Right now they're small. And go have fun and dance with your nanny cat guys. Okay? Okay guys? Okay. I'm going to see if one day get humongous because I haven't done videos for a while. Well, I did this glitch before. You go, man. Let's go to our gym and dance to this awesome music. I love this awesome music. I'm gonna make it big enough so. Oh, nanny cat! Let's try to catch all the nanny cats. There is. Oh, where's the nanny cats? Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh, that's humongous. They get bigger and bigger every time. He'll be all over your screen. Okay, let's dance. Ooh, there's one. Ooh, that's even bigger. Oh yeah. Whoa there. Hello. What the heck? Hello, nanny cat. This is awesome. It's already been 3. No. Oh look, I just got home from school. Oh. Part dead. The only way you can listen to is to turn off your sound so the music doesn't get mixed up with the nanny music. Hello? Oh wow, that's humongous. Holy! Oh my gosh. Holy moly! Now that's humongous. Oh, there was a baby one. Let's wait. Hello! Oh, baby nanny cat. Nanny cats are so cute. Nanny. Ah! Nanny. Now, whoa. Hello. That's what. Whoa there. Hello. Okay, bye. Peace. Holy. Whoa, nanny it. Bye. Animal Jammers and whoever you guys are. Bye. Holy moly. Bye.